The business landscape is evolving, and so are supply chain complexities. Modernize your systems with Dynamics 365 to adopt new business models, unlock new revenue potential, and operate sustainably. Supply chain management empowers the workforce with Copilot to streamline procurement, enhance inventory visibility, and improve planning. Copilot works alongside supply chain teams to automate actions based on insights and complete time-consuming tasks by describing what's needed in natural language. Planners can proactively address demand changes and supply constraints, and everyone can collaborate in real time. The composability of Dynamics 365 enables agile manufacturing processes to improve throughput, quality, uptime, and sustainability. It ensures rapid deployment of micro-fulfillment centers automated with robots to achieve flexible capacity to meet the ever-changing customer demand on time. Lastly, Dynamics 365 extends through Power Platform and empowers end users to customize solutions and build apps with modern user experiences working the way they want and to innovate faster. Our world-leading security solutions ensure that customers, suppliers, and your data are more secure. Supply chains are complex, but now your teams have the tools to navigate every challenge along the way without needing to rip and replace the legacy systems all at once. Take complete control with Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management.